Counting on Abacus. Step 1. Come on, let us first learn counting on ones and tens place. When the earthen and the heaven beads do not touch the skyline, it shows number 0 on the abacus. The value of one earthen bead is equal to 1, whereas one heaven bead co-equals 5. To show 1 on one's place, we will bring one bead upwards. It shows 1. Step 2. To show 2, we will bring one more bead upwards. It shows 2. To show 3, bring another bead up. This is number 3. To show 4, take another bead upwards. When all the earthen beads touch the skyline, it symbolizes number 4. In order to represent 5, move all the earthen beads down and make one heaven bead touch the skyline. When one earthen and one heaven bead unite at the skyline, it constitutes number 6. That is, 5 heaven plus 1 earthen is equal to 6. To make 7, 1 heaven and 2 earthen beads meet at the skyline. That is, 5 heavens plus 2 earthen is equal to 7. To make 8, 1 heaven bead and 3 earthen beads meet at the skyline. That is, 5 heaven plus 3 earthen is equal to 8. To make 9, all the beads touch the skyline. That is, 5 heavens plus 4 earthen is equal to 9.